Najarian feels a little too heavy to be panties. I wonder what it is. What do you think it is?
Let me take a look. I love to do unboxings. It's not an Apple product, but nonetheless, it's an unboxing. By the way, thanks, Dan, whatever this is. Let's see. Oh, hey, look at this. Andrew, Ignite. It's a bunch of cool Ignite stuff. Wow. All right, so we got an Ignite hat.
No, I have an Ignite hat.
Oh, geez. Got an Ignite, some sort of backpacky looking thing. Ignite is Dan Bilzerian's cannabis company. Another Ignite hat, so two of them.
That's like felt.
That's like felt. All right, let's see. An Ignite warm hat.
That's for the skiing?
Skiing, yeah.
Here,
Thanks, Dan. Oh, look, Andrew, some CBD toothpicks. Let's see what else we got here. Ignite cannabis shirt. That's what I'm talking about.
How big is it?
Let's see, how big is it? You're losing weight anyway, so what do you care how big it is? You're gonna try to steal it no matter what.
Wallet. You know what? You can take this too. What is it?
Oh, look at that! It's a vape. You know, he has an award-winning vape, by the way, Ignite. I think they won the Cannabis Cup this year for their vape. It'll do CBD, nicotine, and cannabis. Wow. Ignite cannabis. No, because they're too smart to send anything like that. This is just the igniter and the rest, the vape pen itself. Hey, Dan, thanks very much for sending all this stuff. You guys are the best at Ignite. Bang, love it.